Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So today on Life with Leah, we are going to be making one of my favorite meals ever, which is actually vegan sushi. So we're going to be making cucumber sushi with some bell pepper and some avocado, all sorts of delicious stuff. And I just figured I'd take you guys through it while I'm food prepping. So let's hop into the video. Alrighty friends, so the first step into making vegan sushi is you're going to have to get sushi rice. So this is the one that I got. So with sushi rice, you just need to make sure that it's short grained. Otherwise it won't get sticky and tacky when you add, or it won't get as sticky and tacky when you add the vinegar to it. So I'm going to just take this guy and I'm going to rinse it until it runs clear. So we'll hop in and do that real quick. Alrighty, so now that I have my sushi rice all mixed up, we're going to put it in with 1 part rice to 2 parts water, boiling in a pan. So what I like to do is I like to just put in my rice, put in my water, bring it up to a boil, and then once it starts boiling, I take it back down to a simmer, so it's just kind of simmering so all the water can boil off, and then I leave it boil for about 20 minutes or until there's not really any moisture left in it. So let's hop in and do that. Oh, oh God. I didn't drop anything. Yay. Alright, so now while we're waiting for the rice to get all nice and boiled and cooked and everything, we're going to go ahead and start chopping up our vegetables. So I've got some cucumber, some avocado, and some bell pepper because I just think that'll be so tasty together. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. First, we're going to go ahead and wash our cucumber. Alrighty, so now that I've got them all peeled, I'm just going to go ahead and cut them into strips that'll fit nicely into our sushi. So I like to cut them down the middle and then down to the sides. Let's see, can you guys see that very well? So then they look like this. And then I'll actually probably take that. And then when I've got thicker ones like this, I just go ahead and give them one more slice down the middle. So then I've got 2 little chunks. And so then we're just going to go ahead and do that with the rest of them. Alrighty, so now that our sushi rice has come to a boil, I'm just going to give it a quick stir just to make sure that nothing has stuck to the bottom. And then I'm going to go ahead and just put a cover on it and reduce the temperature down to a medium. So it's going to bring it down to a simmer. And then we're going to go ahead and set our timer for 20 minutes. And go ahead and set a timer. "20-minute timer down." Alright, so now that we've got our rice simmering for the next 20 minutes and we've got our cucumbers all cut up. I believe this is called julienne. I am not positive on that. I don't know my cooking terms. But anyway, we've got our cucumbers all cut up. We've got our sushi rice boiling, simmering. Sushi rice is simmering. So now that we've got that all going on, we're going to go ahead and cut up the bell peppers, and we're just going to cut up those guys thinly as well. And then we're going to cut up the avocado so that we can get it all nice and prepared for when the rice is done so that we can assemble. Alright, so let's get to cutting. We're going to start off with our bell pepper. I chose a yellow bell pepper because it's what I had. So that's what we're going with. So the way that I like to chop bell peppers is first I chop off the top of it, and then I just pull that guy out, and I've got almost no seeds on the inside, so just a few that I can go ahead and fish out with my fingers. Then we've got that guy all nice and clean. So then I go ahead and I like to cut where the lines are on the bottom. I just find that it gives you a nice good starting place to cut up your bell pepper. Then I take it from the side and we're just going to cut nice thin slices so that it will go nice and neatly into our sushi. Alrighty, so finally we're going to take our avocado and we're going to go ahead and cut that guy open. So the way that I like to cut avocados is I start from the top and go all the way around the seed, and then we can twist and avocado. Perfect. Beautiful. Got the seed out. And then I just go ahead and slice in to here, making them nice and thin. We'll do it on both sides. Be careful that you don't push too hard when you're doing this, otherwise you'll reach through the back and cut yourself. Then I go ahead and grab just a regular spoon and I go in the side, and then I just kind of work my way all the way around it, and then you've got some beautiful avocado slices. Nice and easy. Alrighty, and now that our rice is all done, and it looks like this. So we've got no extra liquid or anything. We've got our rice all cooked. We're going to go ahead and add some rice vinegar. So this is super important that you add the rice vinegar. And what I do is it's got the little toppy thingy in, and I just add a few good little drizzles. Then you just go ahead and stir it up. Oh, it smells so good. And so the vinegar is what really makes the rice nice and sticky, so that when you're actually making your sushi, it will hold together. Perfect. So we've got that all mixed up. Beautiful. Alrighty, so now we're just going to wait for our sushi rice to cool, and then when it's nice and cool, we can start to assemble our sushi. So I'll talk to you guys in, well, microsecond for you, but a few minutes for me. Bye! Alrighty, friends, now we're going to get into actually rolling the sushi. So we've got to have some nori. I've got this kind. So we're just going to go ahead and open that guy up. Perfect. So then we've got some nori. And then I've got my sushi rice right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and grab your nori. So grab your sushi, or grab the seaweed. And then you're going to put down some rice. You just kind of want to spread it all around. Ugh. Screw this, I like to use my fingers. It gets sticky. So you go ahead and get some rice on your seaweed, and then we're going to go ahead and add in some of the yum-yums. So we've got some cucumber, we'll add some bell pepper, a little bit of avocado, and then you're just going to take it and you're going to go ahead and just roll this guy right up. Perfect. And there you go. We got a beautiful little roll. Then you can go ahead and just cut it. Cut. And then it looks like that. How cute is that? Love it. Perfect. So then we're just gonna go ahead and continue. Alrighty, my friends, and there we go. We made some beautiful vegan sushi. It looks so good. So what we've got is we've just got some nice, simple nori sheets, so some seaweed with our rice. We've got cucumber, bell pepper, and avocado in there. So good. Seriously, so good. So nice and easy, so easy to do, easy food prep. So I normally will take about 2 rolls and pack those guys up. I find that they're even better the next day, weirdly enough. But absolutely love, love, love. It's one of my favorite recipes, one of my favorite things to make. Nice and easy, and now you guys can make it too. So let me know if you guys made this recipe, what kind of variations you like. Comment down below, give me a like, subscribe, share, you know, do all the things you're supposed to do. Beautiful, and there we go. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.